Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. I'm Josh Gibbons, a 16-year-old brand identity designer from the UK. So we're back with another FBA video, and if you haven't watched my recent video, I've got my final sample. So basically, yesterday, I got my final sample from my supplier, and I opened all of the samples I've got. I started comparing them, testing the product, seeing which is better and which I'm more likely to want to sell, and then looking at the quotes they initially gave me, each supplier, and seeing, you know, which one I would choose. And then I was thinking about the next steps being kind of photography, getting the logo done, and I wanted to make this video just saying, you know, I think it's so cool that I'm a designer doing FBA, because it's an expense I don't have to spend on the logo. And I know a lot of people use Fiverr and it's like not very expensive anyway. I know I can get it done how I want. And being a designer, you know, when you want to sell your product, if you want to sell it high end, then you need the identity, you need the logo to look a certain way. And if you go and get one of Fiverr and it looks shabby and very, very amateur, then you're not going to be capturing as many sales as you think you want. The logo plays a big part in Amazon, I think, where, you know, people say the photography plays a huge part, and it does. The logo is exactly the same thing, because if you've got good photos and you've got a crappy logo on your product, it turns people off just as much as if the photo was bad in the first place. So yeah, I just wanted to make a little video just saying how it was. Yeah, I don't know why I'm making it. I want to document everything, and I was thinking about the next stages of my process and how I'm gonna have to make my own logo. So I've actually been making my own logo for my FBA store, and I can do it so quickly. I don't have to pay anyone on Fiverr. I don't have to wait ages for it to get done. I just hop on. I know exactly how I want it to look. So I've got all my logo done. I'm currently in contact with suppliers about who I want to go with. So just telling them, you know, a few tweaks and stuff from the samples I got, and the next step should be, when I get replies from them, picking one and saying to the other ones, you know, thank you very much for your time. However, I'm gonna go with these other two. So it's very windy at the moment. I'm gonna wait for the wind. So I'm waiting for replies. Once I get those, I'm gonna choose one supplier to go with, and I'll get the template for the packaging, and then I'll start designing that as well, and moving into making my Amazon store and going from there. So it's happening. And Johnny Bradley just launched a product launch module in the course as well, which is so cool. So it's perfect timing for me coming up to my launch, so I can watch that course module and launch it the best I can. So I'm looking forward to it. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Let me know where you are in the process and how you're doing with general entrepreneurship, what businesses you're doing, etc. And I'll catch you in the next video, guys.